Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenSSH in Linux. So we can use OpenSSH to remotely control our Linux system or other servers, and it's also used to transfer files. So how you can install it? So first of all, let me show you that OpenSSH is not installed in my system. What I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize this virtual machine and I'm going to use putty. So this is the software. Let me quickly download this from here. You can use this software to log in, or you can also use command prompt. Okay, so let's check which IP address is my virtual machine currently having. So I'm going to type IPADDR. Okay, it's saying that our system IP address is 5.7. Okay, we got our IP address. So I'm going to type SSH. So the user that we are using, so we are using this user pin2. So let me just type pin2 at the server IP, which is 192.168.5.7, and hit enter. Now it's saying that connect to host. This one, port 22 connection refused because the SSH is not installed. So let me clear this and we are going to install the SSH. So to do that, we have to type sudo apt install OpenSSH server. This is the password of your system, so you have to put it. Okay, now it's started downloading the packages for SSH and it installing it on your system. Okay, now it's done. The in okay, so the installation okay, so the installation is done now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start the services, which is okay, the services is installed now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check if these services that I have just installed, it's running or not. So to do that, we are going to type sudo systemctl status ssh. Okay, as you can see, it's saying that it's active and it's running. Okay, so now we are going to okay, so the services is running now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the same command over here, ssh, the username and the IP address. So let's hit enter. Okay, now it can authenticate to that particular host, means the SSH is installed. So let me type yes to store my MAC address, and now it's asking for the password. Okay, as you can see, we are inside of the Ubuntu server, the same server and the same host name. Let me just type IPADDR. Okay, as you can see, this is my virtual machine IP address. So this is how you can install OpenSSH in your Linux computer. If you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.